Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Hostinger temporary domain name. Now first of all, go to the website of hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're at the homepage of hpanel.hostinger.com, so on the left side you will see multiple options like home, website, domains. So just go into the websites option, which is the second option. Just click on the website, and once you click on the websites, so you will see an option like this one, basically business web hosting. So inside the business web hosting, you will see your temporary domain names, and you will see an option like this one. I will attach a screenshot so you can have a look that how this is basically current domain is temporary. So click on change domain, and once you click on change domain, so they will ask you like what domain do you want to connect to this site. So basically you must have a domain if you want to connect to this site. So buy your domain either from GoDaddy or any other website that you have or use to buy your domains. And once you buy your domain, just enter your domain inside this section. And once you enter your domain inside this section, so your temporary domain name will be changed in that way. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can change your temporary domain name inside the Hostinger. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.